Hi, I'm Lou with another episode of My Car Story. Today we're in the great state of Minnesota and I'm with our friend Randy Geyer, and he's got, well, a tremendous car I've been waiting for. And this one, what year, make, and model is this one?
This is a 1958 Imperial. Now don't make the mistake of calling it a Chrysler Imperial. In 1955, they separated Imperial out from the rest of the Chrysler line, and it's just an Imperial.
Let's take a look at this featured attraction. So as we come on back, well, this one has quite the presence. And let me just start you off on that view right there. Wow. Now, did they call this an Imperial Crown?
Imperial Crown, correct. It's one step up from the lower level Imperial.
And talk about chrome. First of all, the chrome was so bright, I just want to take you and show you that view right there. But notice you've got the turn signals down here. You've got that beautiful crown up there. The midnight blue paint on this one. Notice the eyeliner that comes around that chrome piece. The dual headlights in 58. You have the word Imperial here, as you can see. Like so. Let me give you one more shot at the front of that. If you want chrome in excess, this is that car. Randy, come alongside me. So how long have you had this one?
I bought this car in 2016 and left it in storage till 2018 when I got it out, and we started restoring it in the fall of 2018. It was completed in the fall of 2024.
And I'll show you a quick shot of what that looks like when you first got it. And as we get a little closer to the car, this chrome piece that starts with the Imperial with a little bullet-like tip to it. This script is fantastic. Just for clarity, I'm going to do that so you can see the crown on the wheels. You have this great mirror that's designed with a laid-back windshield with the nice tinting on the top, the pull-up handles, the stone guard, and as we come to the back, well, the bumper goes a good portion up the quarter panel, and I believe they call these, what were these,
Some people call them sparrow strainers.
Sparrow strainers, that's it, because the sparrow would get caught in there, coming out there. And what a tail light on that. Let me just show that quarter panel too. That's just that's just glorious right there. Wow. You have your turn signals down here. Again, the beautiful Imperial script. I even like how they kind of gave a little extra there. Notice the word Imperial here. Great detail there. And we'll take a look at this car from the back. We've got some trunk and treats in this one. Well, we told you we had some trunk and treats for you. And we've got this wonderful Imperial brochure that you're going to see, but those are so good, follow the jack instructions, that what we're going to do for you is make sure that we feature those in an extended trunk and treat. So you can see the depth of this. It goes way back there. The beautiful cardboard-like features, the carpet. Notice all the detail work on the underside of that. And I will give you a little taste of the trunk and treats. of what they look like before we give you the full version of these trunk and treats in the extended episode. Angelic like being right there. But we'll go back to the car, and if you want to see the extended version of those, see them in detail, go to the description of the video, and there will be a separate video just for that. Thanks, guys.
Chrysler touted this car as America's finest, or America's most distinctive fine car.
Now, why did you need this one?
Well, I just like Imperials. I like the fact that they're rare and beautiful and powerful, and kind of, in a lot of ways, I like to say a luxury sports car, you know.
Yeah, I like the shirt, by the way, too. Very nice. Matching the car. This beautiful silver boot. May I open it?
Yes.
Okay. There's how your handles work. Talk about a greeting. Look at this. The gold Imperial. And they even spaced it out with little pieces of rubber so you don't trip on the way in. Oh, wow. The pedals. I am noticing we've got two buttons there. The two buttons, one is for the brakes and the other one is, correct me if I'm wrong, for the radio, like an adjuster.
Yes, it tunes the radio when you push the button with your foot. There's a little motor in the radio that changes channels until it finds one that is strong.
Now you've got one more button down here. What's this button? Push button way up at the top. You've got the emergency park brake, the power brake. What's this? Is that for the windshield washer?
Yeah, excuse me. Yes, that's the windshield washer pump. Yes.
So you pump that.
Pump it with your foot. Yeah.
We'll talk about this turn signal when we're driving. But you've got your park drive, or excuse me, reverse neutral drive. So there is no park.
Correct.
Got it. Look at that little emblem there. Let me stand back for just a moment and take this door in. Now, one of the interesting things, this car took 6 years to restore. One of the things that took a little bit longer was this door panel. And check this out. It's like a little map compartment too. It says unlock, so power locks, this grab handle to open the door, the Imperial Crown. You've got this vinyl, then this wonderful cloth, more vinyl, chrome. Wow. There's your interior. There's your back seat with the crown in it. Your front seats. She is absolutely beautiful. Oh, very nice. The crown in the center. No missing the speedometer on this one. That may be the biggest speedometer I've ever seen. I don't know. There's my hand. It's as big as my hand. A working clock. Now it says 388 miles. I'm guessing that's this restoration?
Correct.
Okay. Brake, antenna, lights, fan. Is this the power top?
No, the power top is that big lever underneath on the right-hand side.
Okay. What is that? Oh, that's a trip odometer?
Yes, that's to, yeah, right.
Okay.
Zero it out.
Your turn signals. This is for the brake. This must be for the brakes. This pull lever, like a slot machine of old. How that comes off the steering wheel there. Local and distant for AM. The Imperial on the far side. And the tissue box. Even the mats. Look at this. With the eagle on the mat. Wow. That's just luxurious. Let's pop the hood, shall we? See that one straight up and down for you, so it's easier to show that one. Heavy hood. Is it a heavy hood?
It is a heavy hood, yeah.
Oh, he's doing that, I noticed this beautiful chrome work here. Wow, I like the red springs. Very nice. What do we have here?
That is a 392 Hemi with 345 horsepower.
A 392 Hemi. That's a lot of horsepower in 1958.
By the way, Lou, when we're talking about horsepower, this car weighs just about 5,000 pounds. It's a very heavy, and most of that is the frame. If you're aware, Imperials were banned from demolition derbies some years ago because they can't be stopped.
Really?
The frame is so big, so heavy, and so strong that they banned them from demolition derbies because the Imperials always won.
We laugh. You can see why. We'll have
This
to.
car retailed for very close to $6,000.
Wow.
It was more than a Cadillac Eldorado Baritz.
Is it with an oil bath or something? Yeah, do not wash the oil. Is there any VIN-tag inside? Oh, there it is. Right there. Wow, look at this. All right, well, let's fire it up. Well, I've got the engine open here. I see the accordion-like brake system here. I'll let you sit in there. We'll step on the brake lights and we'll give it a good rev and we'll take it for a ride. Wow, that's smooth. Let me listen to that. Can you step on the brakes for a second, Randy? Oh yeah, look at that. It's so smooth, I'm not sure where the exhaust is. Oh, I see it now. Single exhaust. Wow, that is a rev. Kind of see the smoke there, but you can't. Listen how quiet. Wow. Well, the only thing left to do is it's time for you and I to take it for a ride.
That sounds good, Lou. Let's go.
In the back seat, you've got that crown there, and then this slides open for your own personal ashtray. Even the great stitching on the seat. The Imperial up here greeting you, and the Imperial there. Hard not to feel like a king in this car.
Let's see, you kind of do, yeah.
Yeah, this is really good stuff right here. How does it feel driving it?
Feels pretty good. It's nice and smooth and quiet, and yeah, you know, somebody said to me once, does it drive like a Cadillac? And I said, no, absolutely not. It drives like an Imperial. That's how it drives.
It drives like an Imperial. Let me just show people kind of where we're going too. Nice little 2-lane stretch. The day turned out a little humid, but very nice. Look at that. Man, it really is smooth.
You know, Lou, I painted this car a real dark blue, as you've seen earlier in the video. Very, very deep, dark, almost black. It's so dark blue.
Yeah.
They say that colors have a slimming effect. Would you say that that's true?
Yeah, you look svelte in this one.
Thanks, Lou. I appreciate that.
The bigger the car, the smaller we look. This is great.
The steering wheel doesn't rub on my belly like in some of my cars.
Probably TMI right now. But Randy brought the big candy out today, the 58 Imperial, and just everything on this car says luxury. Take a look at this ride. The 392 Hemi. I can feel it's got a little pull to it.
Oh yeah, it's got a smooth flow of power, all right.
I like how you define that, the smooth flow of power.
I think people are wishing they were us today.
I think you're right.
I always like to say when Sal and I drive in this car, I go, let's go out and show the rich people what the cool people are doing today.
This is definitely a cool car that makes a statement. What made you want the Imperial? I mean, just looking at it makes you want the Imperial. But for you, being a collector of cars, is this your top car? I mean, this
Yeah,
has
it
got
is
to be
up
awful.
today. Well, I was just talking with some buddies of mine. It's a funny thing about human nature, and I happen to be a human as well. But, you know, it's like, yeah, this car just got finished restoration last fall, and I thought, oh, this is the most beautiful car. And a lot of people that have seen it have told me, Randy, that's your best car yet. It's absolutely stunning. It's spectacular, all of those things. And I said, yeah, I agree. But I'm like, and here's the human nature part. Well, wait till you see the next one. I got a couple more coming along, and I can't wait because, yeah, I got some cars that are absolutely going to knock your socks off. And so it's always the newest one that's the best one, you know?
Okay, there you go. Whatever the newest one is the best one.
Yeah.
Oh,
But I like this car, but I've driven it twice now, so it's kind of becoming like an old girlfriend.
this is only the second cruise.
Yeah, it is.
Oh my God. I seen it. When did you get this car again?
In 2016.
Wow. Well,
But remember, it took till
Yeah.
fall of 2024
Yeah.
to get it done. So
right.
And then it was fall, it was too late to drive it, and so it just sat, and now here we are in the spring of 2025, and I'm just able to get it out and drive it around a little bit.
You see how excited I am to stop driving. I want to keep going, so this is just great.
It's a nice ride,
It's
no
a
doubt.
nice ride. This is nice ride.
Heavy cars always drive so nicely.
Oh yeah, this thing's like a tank. But what a great car. Randy, always a treat. Thanks so much for being on My Car Story. Always fun seeing you, my friend. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Lou. Hanging with you is more fun than kissing my sister.
That's a wrap. This footage here, there's where that top button is that I didn't show, the wipers and the blower on this side. But show me that turn signal. That's kind of interesting.
That's kind of neat. Okay, when you turn, left-hand turn, of course
And
you
you'll
get
see, you'll see that light blinking. Now we turn the right hand, you can see that right blinking up there.
And of course, when you make the turn, it automatically cancels. However, when you do things like change lanes and you don't really turn enough to get it to cancel, then you push this little button here and it cancels. It's a cancellation button.
Wow, nice. Enough bonus for you. I noticed that this, when you push that, of course you do that, you push out, but notice they actually put a hole through the glass so that you can have that do that and come back and lock in. Just all the details, so spectacularly done.